Hello everyone, welcome on back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out this month's Monster Bass Platinum Series box. This is the Z-Man Takeover this month, so every single lure in this box is going to be from Z-Man. I'm very excited for this. This is typically one of the best boxes of the year. I have no doubt that this one will be great as well. Grab a knife and go ahead and cut into this box here. Take a look and see what we got for this month. So first up, we've got our guidebook here, talking about the Z-Man Takeover. Looks like there's also a red cup challenge. So inside there's a little red solo cup here. Assuming we're going to have some sort of a jig flipping challenge. Let's see if it talks about that in here. Yeah, so it looks like there is going to be a challenge for those of you that get this box this month. You have until April 15th to upload a video of yourself on either Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok using the hashtag RedCupMB. Basically, you're going to take 10 paces away from the cup. You're going to try to flip a jig into the cup from that distance. And you want to try to hit it in the cup or knocking it over, glancing it off the edge, that is. 3 in a row. And if you do that, 5 lucky winners will receive a free lunker stick. It's a $139 rod. There'll also be some participation prizes as well. So, fun little challenge added in this month. For those of you that receive the box, I'll definitely be giving that a shot later today for sure. Let's go ahead and crack into the box and see what lures we got. So, looks like we got some soft plastics on top. First up, we've got the Slim Swims. Little narrow swim bait paddle tails. These are in the Bad Shad color. I think they're 3-inch. This is a 6-pack. Put this up here. You got that nice kind of dark gray back with kind of a translucent belly. Some multicolor flake with some bigger black flake in there as well. Nice little thin profile, great for this early time of year. As always with all Z-Man plastics, you've got that highly durable Elaztech material, so that's going to hold up super well, super stretchy. Just want to make sure that you don't mix these in with any of your regular plastics, because it will react with that plastisol and create a nasty melting reaction there. Next up, we've got some of the TRD ticklers in green pumpkin. Little TRD Ned bait. This is an 8-pack, 2.75-inch. You can see that. So the bottom, is kind of like your standard Ned there, and then you've also got these little tickler appendages, as you see, kind of float back and forth. Just give it a little bit of a secondary action there. These are a tried and true classic. Work great. Can't complain about that. Next up, I'm assuming they didn't mean to do this, but I've actually got 2 packs of TRD ticklers in my box. I'm assuming that was a mistake and they doubled those up, but let me know if you guys got any doubles in any of your boxes as well this month. Next up, we've got the Gremlin, designed by Brian Latimer. Creature style bait. This is the Canada Crawl color. I believe this is a 4-pack. Yep, and 4.5 inches. Pull this out. kind of a nice thin profile, but it's got some longer, kind of flappy appendages that are going to pick up the water really nicely. Really like that gold and red flake throughout and that two-tone watermelon green pumpkin kind of look there. Should have no problem getting bit on those. Again, I really do like the Z-Man stuff. That Elaztech, super durable. I think it's a really high quality, high value for the money product, especially when you compare the prices to other lures out there, and they're all made in the USA, so can't beat that. Digging in a little bit further here, looks like we've got some terminal tackle. We've got some of the OG mushroom jig heads. This is a 4-pack in the blue color. These are 1/16 of an ounce, so real finessey. Those ought to pair up well with those TRD ticklers. Next up, we've got the Midwest Finesse Swim Jig. Little downsized 3/16 ounce swim jig. I have used these before. Like these a lot. This is in the Pearl Ghost color. That ought to pair up real nicely with those Slim Swims. It's a real good size to fit in that cup there as well. I think we'll probably be flipping this one on that challenge too. All right. What we've all been waiting for here, and last but not least, we've got 2 different jackhammers in the box. Right here, we've got the standard jackhammer, 1/2 ounce. This is in the Bama Bug color, which I do not have, so excited to get a new color here. Love that purple and green. The real natural colors with those purple hints do super good in my area. A lot of the bluegills have a lot of that kind of purple and blue tinge to them, so that always does super well. Again, if you haven't fished a jackhammer, these are the real deal ChatterBaits. That blade starts up right away. There's definitely a different vibration to it. The way that skirt shimmies. It's got great secondary action. It's got a nice heavy wire Gamakatsu hook on there. There's a reason why these are, $15 a piece. They really do make a difference when you compare them to some of the other ChatterBaits and bladed jigs on the market. Also, we've got a stealth blade jackhammer, which is a little bit more finessey style jackhammer. Instead of that metal blade, it's got that transparent polycarbonate blade on the front. This is in the spot remover color. So that real pale transparent with a little bit of chartreuse in there. Again, this one also weighs 1/2 ounce. This is a great color as well. I've caught quite many a good fish on this color. So definitely glad to get this one too. All in all, a really solid box, as these Z-Man takeovers usually are. It's typically one of the best boxes or bags of the year. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Which was your favorite? I gotta say, I think that the Bama Bug jackhammer was definitely a home run. But I'm excited to throw the rest of these as well. If you haven't already, make sure you leave a thumbs up and you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the future content that we got coming out. Finally getting some decent weather. I'm going to be able to get out and put all these to the test for you guys. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch the video. And I will see you guys on the next one.